Are you an entrepreneur, marketer, small business owner, or a digital marketing enthusiast looking to expand your knowledge and skills? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how you can learn marketing effectively and why it's essential for your success. Marketing isn't just about selling a product or service. It's about understanding your audience, creating value, and building lasting relationships. So, let's dive in. Marketing, at its core, is the process of promoting and selling products or services. It encompasses a wide range of activities, including market research, advertising, public relations, social media management, and content creation. In essence, marketing is about getting the right message to the right people at the right time. But what is marketing for? Marketing serves several critical purposes for businesses and individuals alike. First and foremost, it helps to build brand awareness. In a crowded marketplace, standing out from the competition is crucial, and effective marketing strategies ensure that your brand remains top of mind for your target audience. Secondly, marketing drives sales and revenue. By reaching out to potential customers and convincing them of the value of your product or service, you can increase your sales and grow your business. Additionally, marketing helps to build and maintain customer relationships. Engaging with your audience through various channels fosters loyalty and trust, leading to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Now that we understand what marketing is and what it's for, let's discuss the main advantages of learning marketing. For entrepreneurs and small business owners, having a solid grasp of marketing principles can be a game changer. It allows you to take control of your brand's narrative, tailor your messaging to your audience, and allocate your budget more effectively. By learning marketing, you can reduce your reliance on external agencies and gain the skills needed to execute campaigns in-house. For marketers and digital marketing enthusiasts, expanding your knowledge in this field can open up new career opportunities and enhance your professional growth. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires a commitment to continuous learning. By mastering new marketing techniques and tools, you can position yourself as an invaluable asset to any organization. So, how do you learn marketing? The journey begins with a commitment to education and a willingness to stay curious and adaptable. Here are some practical steps you can take to start learning marketing today. Enroll in online courses and certifications. There are numerous online platforms that offer comprehensive marketing courses, such as Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and HubSpot Academy. These courses cover a wide range of topics, from the fundamentals of marketing to advanced digital marketing strategies. Many of these platforms also offer certifications upon completion, which can enhance your resume and demonstrate your expertise to potential employers or clients. Read books and industry publications. Reading is one of the best ways to gain in-depth knowledge about marketing. There are countless books written by industry experts that provide valuable insights and practical advice. Some highly recommended titles include Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini, Contagious, How to Build Word of Mouth in the Digital Age by Jonah Berger, and This is Marketing by Seth Godin. Additionally, subscribing to industry publications such as Adweek, Marketing Week, and the Content Marketing Institute can keep you updated on the latest trends and best practices. Follow influential marketers and thought leaders. Social media is a powerful tool for learning marketing. Follow influential marketers and thought leaders on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to gain insights from their expertise and stay informed about the latest industry developments. Engaging with their content and participating in discussions can also help you build your professional network and learn from the experiences of others. Join marketing communities and forums. Online communities and forums are great places to connect with other marketing enthusiasts, ask questions, and share knowledge. Websites like Reddit, Quora, and specialized marketing forums offer valuable opportunities to learn from the experiences of others and get answers to your marketing-related questions. Joining professional organizations such as the American Marketing Association (AMA) or the Chartered Institute of Marketing (CIM) can also provide access to exclusive resources, events, and networking opportunities. Attend webinars and conferences. Webinars and conferences are excellent opportunities to learn from industry experts, gain new perspectives, and stay updated on the latest trends. Many organizations and platforms host regular webinars on various marketing topics, often for free or at a low cost. Attending industry conferences, whether in person or virtual, allows you to network with other professionals and learn from leading voices in the field. Gain hands-on experience. One of the most effective ways to learn marketing is by doing. Apply the knowledge you've gained by working on real-world projects, whether through internships, freelance work, or personal projects. Creating and managing your own marketing campaigns will help you understand the practical challenges and nuances of the field, allowing you to refine your skills and build a portfolio of work that showcases your expertise. Utilize marketing tools and software. Familiarize yourself with the various tools and software used in the marketing industry. Platforms like Google Analytics, SEMrush, HubSpot, and Canva offer powerful features that can enhance your marketing efforts. Many of these tools provide free tutorials and resources to help you get started. By mastering these tools, you can streamline your workflows, analyze data more effectively, and create high-quality marketing materials. Stay updated on industry trends. The marketing landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies, platforms, and strategies emerging regularly. Staying updated on industry trends is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. Follow reputable blogs, podcasts, and newsletters that cover the latest developments in marketing. Some popular resources include Neil Patel's blog, the Social Media Examiner podcast, and the Marketing Prof's newsletter. Experiment and analyze. Marketing is both an art and a science, and experimentation is key to finding what works best for your audience. Test different strategies, channels, and messages to see what resonates most with your target market. Use data and analytics to measure the success of your campaigns and make informed decisions. By continuously experimenting and analyzing your results, you can optimize your marketing efforts and achieve better outcomes. Learning marketing is a journey that requires dedication, curiosity, and a willingness to adapt to an ever-changing landscape. By following these steps, you can build a strong foundation of knowledge, develop valuable skills, and stay ahead of the curve in the dynamic world of marketing. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, small business owner, or digital marketing enthusiast, investing in your marketing education will pay dividends in the long run. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and colleagues. Together, we can all learn and grow in our marketing journeys. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!